lot of wind here in Florida today. I am in Fort Lauderdale, and woo, is it windy? Good. Lift your knees nice and high. Lift your arms, good. Do some squat reaches, squat reach, good. I have my 5-pound weights here, so I'm going to do a squat and reach with weights. Good. Now I'm going to get my heavier weights and I'm going to do some curls. And I'm going to put a little bounce in my knees as I'm doing my curls. 4, 5, 6. Good. It's very windy here today, and yesterday our flight was delayed quite a bit, like more than 6 hours. But we got in at 1 in the morning, and Jaybird got back to Charlottesville, and everything's good. Nice. I'm going to put these down, and I'm going to come over here. Oh, hi. Okay, now we're going to do our leg kicks. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27, 30, 31, 32. That's 40, good. Now, I want you to roll over onto your stomach and just loosen up your spine a little bit, good. And then I want you to put your legs up, and you'll see that stretches your spine and does a little arch, good. And from here, we're going to do our donkey kicks. You ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 12 on each side. 12, good. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. I'm going to get my weights. Hang on. All right. Now I'm going to do my leg lifts, but at the same time, I am going to do a reverse curl. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 2 for the price of 1. Now, I got my 10-pound weights, and I'm going to do my bench presses, but also do my leg kicks at the same time. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Oh. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my neck. 1, 2. I'm going to do my neck the other way. 2. Good. And now I am going to go for a swim in this beautiful rooftop pool that we have at the hotel. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the sky as I see it. So I will see you tomorrow. I'm only in Fort Lauderdale for one night, and then we head to South Beach. So to be continued.